Plaid and MX are two of the most trusted names in financial data connectivity, powering thousands of fintech apps across the United States and Canada. Both companies help apps securely connect to users' bank accounts, enabling everything from account verification to budgeting tools and lending insights. Plaid is the more established name, known for its broad coverage and developer-friendly APIs. MX, on the other hand, has built its reputation on data accuracy enrichment and user-friendly insights that go beyond simple account linking. Both aim to make financial data more accessible, but their strengths appeal to slightly different fintech needs. Plaid focuses on speed, coverage, and simplicity. Its APIs let developers connect to thousands of financial institutions quickly, making it a go-to choice for startups building new financial products. The setup is fast, documentation is clear, and its integrations work with major banks and credit unions across North America. MX takes a more data-driven approach. It connects to fewer institutions, but delivers cleaner, categorized, and enriched data. This makes it a favorite among apps that rely on precise transaction labeling or analytics, such as budgeting and wealth management platforms. Plaid wins in reach and developer ease, while MX shines in data quality and presentation. When comparing performance and reliability, Plaid's advantage is its scale. It offers stable connections, quick verification, and broad fintech adoption. MX emphasizes consistency and user trust by enhancing every transaction with standardized data and context. For developers, Plaid feels like the faster path to market. For product teams focused on user experience, MX provides cleaner insights and fewer data discrepancies. Both offer secure, compliant connections, though MX often markets its commitment to privacy and ethical data usage more aggressively. In the end, the choice comes down to what kind of fintech product you're building. If you need wide financial institution coverage, rapid integration, and strong developer support, Plaid is the safer bet. If your goal is to deliver refined, categorized, and visually rich data that enhances user engagement, MX is the stronger choice. Plaid is built for speed and scale. MX is built for precision and clarity. For most fintechs, starting with Plaid offers faster onboarding, but pairing or transitioning to MX later can elevate the experience once data quality becomes the key differentiator.